you order two satellikan, one special fried rice with less spicy, one grilled chicken with soy sauce, one chocolate with banana, and one sweet tea, and one avocado chicken. Is that correct, madam? Alright, madam. Thank you so much. Your order will be served shortly. If you need anything, please call me.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome, madam.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Here is our menu, sir.
Thank you.
Would you like some time to look at the menu?
Yes, please.
Yes, are you ready to order?
Yes, we have can you contact for dessert?
Of course, I recommend our traditional Memphis keywords, Peruvian chips and alright, for you next, sir. Sorry, sir. Would you like to main course?
One special fried rice, please.
For you? Alright. Would you like to drink?
For the one sweet tea, please.
For you? And would you like to dessert?
And for dessert, one chocolate bread.
For you, ma'am? Alright. Do you have any dietary restriction or allergies I should be aware of?
Can I get that spicy for my special fried rice?
Understood. Alright, let me repeat your order. To traditional Memphis keyword, one special fried rice with less spicy, one grilled chicken with soy sauce, one chocolate fried banana, one sweet iced tea, and one avocado shake. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Your order will be start shortly. Enjoy your evening and don't hesitate to call me for anything.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, please welcome. Wait up, please. Yes, and if I need for appetizer.